Hey you guys, it's Miss Kelly Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. All right, I have an idea and I kind of want some input from you guys. All right, so I want to start thinking of some creative ways of thinking outside of the box to begin working with homeowners or landlords to use their properties for my midterm rentals. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm gonna go into some real estate investing Facebook groups and just put a post out there, seeing if there are any landlords who have properties in a particular area that might be vacant in the next couple months. If they are interested in allowing me to rent it for my corporate housing business and see what results I get. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We can see, but it's worth a try. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, if you think it's a bad idea. If you are a investor that has properties that you rent, you're a landlord, let me know what you would say to that. Now, I do have my own long term rentals. I would say yes, but that's me. I'm biased because I have the midterm rental company as well, right? So I don't want to rely on my opinion of all of this. Now, the other thing I'm thinking about, and this isn't right now, it's going to be in the future, is to use some tactics that I would used to use and a lot of investors use to find properties that are distressed. So maybe going after some properties that could be in pre foreclosure. I'm thinking just because a lot of things I'm seeing, and I don't know if this is going to happen, but people keep talking about how there's going to be a lot of foreclosures on the market because I guess, the mortgage mandate or whatever has now ended, and people are now having to pay their mortgages and might not be able to. So, if there are a lot of pre foreclosures, maybe approaching those homeowners to see if we can work out something where I can take over their property and not necessarily have to buy it. Maybe take it over, or if I want to buy it, maybe I have the option to buy it in the future. We'll see. But again, these are just all ideas that are floating around in my head. I can't do them all at once, but maybe some of you guys might have already done this, or you're about to do it, or you're just getting the ideas from me and you're going to do it and see what happens. Now, if you do try this, let me know what your results are. Let me know in the comments. Just comment with this video. Let me know what happened. Okay. All right. But that is what I'm thinking. And those are some ideas that you guys can try as well. Again, give me your feedback. I want to hear what you have to say. If you think it's a good idea, bad idea, what. Now, I do recognize that with going this route of maybe trying to market to distressed property owners, or anything like that, if they're in pre foreclosure or whatever, that's going to take additional marketing money, effort, and time. Not quite sure I have that time and energy right now because there are some other things I'm going to work on. So I purchased a property that I plan on flipping, and I want to use that money to find another property that I can use for my midterm rental and actually purchase that, because I do purchase some properties and I rent properties. I use rental arbitrage for my midterm rental. So I do both. But I want to really buy two more properties this year. So that would be a way that I could possibly do that. We'll see what happens. But that's on my plate. And I am going to, well, actually not going to, but I've already started my group guided program for my course. So I really am invested in that right now. So that's where my time is going. And I don't want to take away from that as well. So I don't want to put too much on my plate at one time. But these are some things that I'm definitely thinking about. But I will try immediately sending the message out to the Facebook groups to see if any investors would be open to this concept. All right. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Now, if you are interested in taking my online course, the self-study course, the link for that is in the description below. If you want to book a free consultation with me, that link is going to be below. And also my work with me plans are below as well. So check out the description for all those good things. I'll keep you guys posted on what happens with all of this. All right. So make sure you like and subscribe and follow me in the future so you can see more videos from me. And you can follow me on social media on Instagram and Facebook at Miss Kellie Michele. The same name you see above, put it all together, you'll find me. All right, talk to you later. Bye.